Angle in radians. What is a radian? So what is the angle in radians? Radians is, angle in radians is equal to arc length divided by radius. At one radius, what is our arc length? All right, that is our arc length. Okay, at one radius, that is our arc length. It is a ratio of arc length to radius, right? Angle in radians is the ratio of arc length to radius. So let's look at the arc length and the radius again. 2 times the radius, and from here to here is 1 times the radius. And what is the arc length we have? It is whatever we have, 3 units there, right? So now you increase the radius to twice. Well, let's put the same unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 units becomes 6 at twice the radius. So the ratio is still the same. So you have the same angle. All right, do not forget, this is a clock, correct? This is a clock. And whenever we move in the counterclockwise direction, we have the angle positive. And whenever we move in the clockwise direction, we have the angle as negative. Right now, the angle is positive. This is 1 radius, and this is 2 radius. From the center of the circle, it is twice, all right, 2r, and this will be 3r. All right, so we expect at 1 we have 1, 2, 3. At 2 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about at 3r? We expect 9 units there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, we keep the ratio the same. When the radius is tripled, the arc length also gets tripled. All right, so the ratio is the same. So we have the same angle. Let's do that again. Okay, at 1r, so this is 1r, this is 2r, this is 3r, this is 4r. Okay, at 1r, we have 1, 2, 3. At 2r, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 3r, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At 4r, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you increase the radius to 4r, you get 4 times as much arc length, as long as you keep the angle the same. All right, as long as you keep the angle the same. Okay, so angle in radians is, it's a ratio. It is a ratio, so it has no units. Angle in radians is, because length cancels with length, so angle in radians is arc length divided by radius. So what is 1 radian? What is the angle in radians? It is a ratio of arc length to radius, correct? When is the left side equal to 1? When arc length and radius are the same, right? Because radius divided by radius has to be equal to 1, right? So radius becomes the arc length. So when the radius becomes the arc length, that is when we say we have 1 radian. So this is our radius, right? That is our radius. So if we can measure this radius and put it on the arc, and if those two are the same, we have 1 radian angle. 1 radian angle. And again, +1. All right, +1 because we are going counterclockwise. Okay, so if you go to 2, twice the radius, what happens? All right, twice the radius. Again, right now we have, this is our radius, and that radius has to fit exactly here. And then we have the next one, and that has to fit exactly here. And that's when we have 1 radian as the angle. So ratio is 1 when arc length and radius are exactly the same. And this is the arc length. This is the radius, and this is the arc length. But when the radius and the arc length are exactly the same, we have an angle of 1 radian. And do not forget, for this particular line, the angle is positive 1 radian. And this is George Mathew signing off. Good luck.